Supreme Court building with protesters gathered outside, holding signs. The Supreme Court has once again sent shockwaves through the country. In a pair of high-profile rulings, justice struck down the Biden administration's latest student forgiveness loan plan and limited federal immigration enforcement powers. The fallout: immediate and intense. Student crying, activities marching, cable news debates. Outside the court, crowds gathered as the rulings were announced. For some, they were a victory for constitutional limits. For others, a devastating blow to economic and social justice. Student loan forgiveness blocked. Young adults with loan sign $80K in debt crushed by college. In the first ruling, the court struck down a revised loan relief program that aimed to cancel up to $20,000 per dollar borrower for federal student debt holders. The 6-3 decision argued that Congress, not the executive branch, must authorize such broad spending changes. Chief Justice said that major question of national policy belong the legislative branch. The Constitution requires it. Frustrated borrowers are reacting on social media, trending hashtags like #CancelStudentDebt. The ruling leaves more than 30 million Americans without expected any relief, renewing national debate on college affordability, income inequality, and economic mobility. Legal experts say that this was a legal rejection of executive overreach, but it leaves no roadmap for how struggling borrowers get relief now. Immigration enforcement is scaled back. Border Patrol agents, immigration courts, post signs reading immigrations are essential. In the second case, the court narrowed the federal government's discretion over immigration priorities, ruling that certain deportation guidelines exceed legal limits. Conservative press versus immigrant rights group protest. Critics say the decision ties the hands of immigration authorities, while supporters argue it restores legal clarity and fairness. Immigration authorities say that this ruling makes it harder for DHS to focus on high-priority threats and puts thousands of low-risk immigrants at renewed risk of deportation. A nation reacts and looks ahead. News across law professors' town hall discussions. These decisions are already rippling through the political sphere. Progressive lawmakers are calling for court reform and new legislation, while conservatives celebrate what they see as a return to constitutional limits on federal power. Poll result, public opinion interviews, Capitol Hill reaction shots. Legal analysts warn this ruling could set lasting precedents, especially as future administrations navigate executive authority on everything from climate change to healthcare. From campuses to courtroom, the message is clear. The Supreme Court is not just interpreting the law, it's reshaping the national agenda. And for millions of Americans, the decisions of July 2025 will be felt for years to come. Debate continues, Discovery responds. Subscribe for more updates on US law, politics, and social change.